Good evening students. Today we will be learning about human circulatory system. In order to understand human circulatory system, first we will understand normal functioning of human body. All the living organisms including the humans have some kind of fluid circulating in their body. Every organ in our body requires circulating body fluid. Now we will learn about the definition of circulatory system. It is the bodily system that consists of heart, blood vessels and blood that travels through the blood vessels. Now hold on for a second and think about the function of circulatory system. It delivers the nutrients and essential materials to the cell and remove the waste products. It is also known as cardiovascular system. Let's see what circulatory system consists of. As I said earlier, it consists of heart, blood vessels, blood and also the lymphatic system. The heart. The heart is a hollow muscular organ that pumps the blood through the circulatory system by rhythmic contraction and relaxation. The heart is located in the chest cavity right between the lungs. It has four chambers: the right atrium, the right ventricle, the left atrium and the left ventricle. The deoxygenated blood enters into right atrium through the superior and inferior vena cava. This deoxygenated blood gets pumped down into right ventricle through the atrioventricular valve. Then the deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle is carried to the lungs by the pulmonary artery where it gets oxygenated. Now the oxygenated blood enters into left atrium by the pulmonary vein. Then the left ventricle pumps the oxygenated blood through the aorta into all parts of the body. The blood vessels. It is the part of circulatory system which transport blood throughout the body. It consists of arteries, veins and capillaries. Arteries. These are the type of blood vessels which carry oxygenated blood from the heart to the various parts of the body. Unlike pulmonary artery, which carries deoxygenated blood from the left ventricle to the lungs. The veins. These are the type of blood vessels which carry deoxygenated blood from the various parts of the body towards the heart. Unlike pulmonary vein which carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. The capillaries. These are the type of blood vessels which enables the actual exchange of water and chemicals between the blood and the tissue. The blood. The blood is a fluid that is circulating in the heart, arteries, veins and capillaries. The main function of the blood is to transport nutrients, hormones and other essential components to the various parts of the body. Now the types of blood cells are white blood cells, red blood cells and platelets. Blood also consists of plasma, which is mostly made up of water, and blood plasma consists of dissolved proteins, hormones, minerals, carbon dioxide, etc. Red blood cells. Red blood cells helps in transportation of oxygen to the cells. White blood cells. White blood cells helps in defense mechanism of the body. Platelets help in clotting the blood and to stop bleeding. Now the last one is lymphatic system. Lymphatic system consists of lymph, which runs parallel to the blood. The lymph is colorless fluid. It consists of salt, water and proteins. The lymph transport and circulate digested food and absorb fat into the intercellular spaces of tissues. Now let us study about the human circulation mechanism, which is called double circulation. As I explained earlier, heart is a principal organ of circulation. The one side of the heart pumps the deoxygenated blood and the another side of the heart pumps the oxygenated blood, and the main advantage of double circulation is the oxygenated and deoxygenated blood never mix with each other and it is separated by septum. This is called double circulation. We studied about the definition of circulatory system. Then we studied about the components of circulatory system, which is heart, blood vessels, lymphatic system and blood. The heart has 4 chambers, 2 atrium and 2 ventricles. The blood vessels are arteries, veins and capillaries. The blood contains RBC, WBC and the platelets, and the liquid part called plasma. The lymphatic system consists of lymph. And the last one we studied about the double circulation. I hope this video will help you to understand the concept of human circulatory system. Thank you.